Today we are going to see fill in the blanks using multiples or factors. You are going to fill in the blanks. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 is the dash of 12. What's mark? 3 and 4 is the what? Children say, children. Good. 3 is the factors of 12. 3 is the factors of 12. The same way 4 is also factors of 12. 3 and 4 is the factor of 12. The same way 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. 12 is the multiple of 3. The same way 12 is the multiple of 4. 3 and 4 is the factor of 12. 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. All of them understood, ma? 3 and 4 is the factor of 12. 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4. All of them understood? 3 is the factor of 12. The same way 4 is also factor of 12. 12 is the multiple of 3. The same way 12 is the multiple of 4 also. All of them understood, ma? Using this circle, first you write these in this first circle. First 10 multiples of 2 you write. First 10 multiples. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. First 10 multiples you write 2. After that you write the 10 multiples of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. First you find out the multiples of 10, multiples of 10 and multiples of first 10 multiples of 2. After that 8, first 10 multiples of 8 first you find out. After that you are going to find out the common multiples. Common multiples now you are going to find out. Here 2 is there, here 2 is there? No. So that you take it and write the 2. Here 4 is there, here any 4 is there? No. So that you take it and write the 4. Here 6 is there, here anywhere 6 is there? No. Next you take it and write the 6. 8 is there, here also 8 is there. Here 8, here also 8 is there, so that you write it in the middle. Both the circle is join now. This place you write the 8. 10 is there, here 10 is there? No. You take it and write the 10 here. 12 is there, here 12 is there? No. You take it and write the 12. 14 is there, here 14 is there? No. You take it and write here 14. Here 16 is there, here 16 is there? Yes. Here also 16 is there, here also 16 is there. You take it and write this in the middle. Here 18 is there, here 18 is there? No. You take it and write the 18 here. 20 is there, here there is 20 is there? No. You take it and write the 20 here. Here 8 and 16 before itself you write it in the middle. Both are having the common multiples is 8 and 16. The remaining things you take it and write it in there in this space. 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. The common multiples of 2 and 8 is 8, 16. All of them understood, ma? How will you find out the common multiple using this circle? First circle, you write the first 10 multiples of 2. The next circle, first 10 multiples of 8, you first find out. After that, you compare 2 multiples and 8 multiples. What are the things is same? You take it and write it in the middle of this circle. You write here 8 and 16 is both are having, so that you write it in the middle. Remaining number, you write it in this circle. 2, first circle you write. Second circle, you write the 8. The common multiples of 2 and 8 is what, ma? Say children, good. 8 and 16 is the common multiples of 2 and 8. Find the common multiples of 2 and 4 using this number. First 2 tables, you circle the 2 multiples. First you circle the 2 multiples. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. All the two multiples you circle now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 you circle now. Next the 4 tables is there now. You square the 4 tables. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 20. Now you are going to find out the common multiples of 2 and 4. What are the things common multiples? Both 2 table and 4 table will came means that is the common multiples of 2 and 4. You take it and write common multiples of 2 and 4 is, what are the things, ma? Same, both the square and circle it came means that is the common multiples of 2 and 4. This 4 is came 2 table and 4 table. So that 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is the common multiples of 2 and 4. What are the things, say children? Good. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is the common multiples of 2 and 4. Fine. All of them understood, ma? How will you find out the common multiples? Both the two tables and the 4 tables, its came means that is the common multiples for 2 and 4. Find the common multiples of 3 and 6 using this number line. First 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Same as 6 table. 6 ones are 6 only will came. The common multiples of 3 and 6, what children? Say children. Good. Common multiple of 3 and 6 is 6 is the common multiples of both 3 tables and 6 table. The common multiples is 6. All of them understood, ma? Using the number line, how will you find out? Good children. Find first 2 common multiples. First find 2 common multiples. 5 ones are 5. 6 ones are 6. 5 twos are 10. 6 twos are 12. 5 threes are 15. 6 threes are 18. 5 fours are 20. 6 fours are 24. 5 fives are 25. 6 fives are 30. 5 6 are 30. Here also 30. Here also 30. This is the first common multiples of 5 and 6. First common multiples of 5 and 6. Next you are going to find out now. 6 6 are 36. 5 sevens are 35. 6 sevens are 42. 5 eights are 40. 6 eights are 48. 5 nines are 45. 6 nines are 54. 5 tens are 50. 6 tens are 60. 5 elevens are 55. 6 elevens are 66. 5 twelves are 60. 6 twelves are 72. Here 60 is there. Here also 60 is there. This is the second common multiple. So that you finish up to this, you finish. You find out the 2 multiples means the question is asking only the first 2 common multiples only. So that you stop up to this. You take it and write the first 2 common multiple of 5 and 6 is 30, 60. All of them understood, ma? How will you find out the first 2 common multiples of 5 and 6? First you write the tables, 5 tables and 6 tables, both you first take it and write. You find out the first 2 common multiples. You find out means you stop that multiplication and you take it and write. In 5 tables and 6 tables, the common multiples is 30 and 60 is the first 2 common multiples of 5 and 6 is 30 and 60. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.